Here are every little tree scent. In all of little trees. First up, there's America, a timeless American design paired with our signature vanilla aroma scent. It's available in trees and extra strength. Next up is Bayside Breeze. I've smelt this before probably. It's been a while since I smelled it though. The refreshing scent of crisp apple and summer melon carried by a gentle coastal breeze. It's available in trees, vent wrap, and extra strength. Next up is Black Ice, which I have at home, and it's literally the nearest little tree to me. Like, literally, it's just on my closet door. A mysteriously inciting I don't know that word. Inciting masculine scent of woods and citrus. A mysteriously inciting masculine scent of woods and citrus. A mysteriously inhibiting masculine scent of woods and citrus. I'm sorry. I said that too many times for you, but it's available in fiber can, spray trees, drop, and even extra strength. Yeah, this is also one of the classics, too. Next up is Blackberry Clove. Plump, juicy blackberries fused with clove for a distinctive sweet and spicy blend. It's available in only trees, and I haven't smelled it yet. Yeah, I haven't smelled America yet either, but I have smelled the original vanilla aroma. That's the green scent. Unfortunately, that's near the end, so we're probably not going to be able to talk into it for a while. Next up is bubblegum. I haven't smelled it yet either. A blend of sweet, juicy, and fun that brings this childhood favorite to life. It's unfortunately also only available in trees. Next up is Caribbean Colada. It seems like another one of the classics. Just, I don't know it. I've actually smelled this one before too. It's literally in my home right now, just like Black Ice. An escape to a tropical island with juicy pineapple and sweet coconut. Wow. Tell me if you think, even although it seems like a pretty uncommon one, it seems like it's one of the uncommon ones. Comment below if you think it's actually pretty uncommon, just they spiced it up a little. Or it's actually one of the classics. Or it's actually one of the classics, but you don't know it. There's fiber can, spray trees, with liquid vent wrap, and extra strength. Hey, I have that at home. It's this one. That's also near the end, so we're probably not going to be able to talk about that either too in this video. We're on Caribbean Colada. But next up is Celebrate, which I semi-tested. I haven't actually brought it home, but a few days ago, Dad let me smell test this one. That one eventually became sliced. I wanted sliced, and he gave me that. That's also near the end, so we're probably not going to be able to talk about that in this video either. Celebrate any occasion with this delicious blend of vanilla cake and sweet buttercream frosting. Tell me if you think the short answer is just birthday cake in the comments, please. Next up is Cherry Blast. A blast of juicy cherries makes this sweet and tart fragrance irresistible. Unfortunately, it's only available in fiber can. Not even trees. How weird. Hashtag. Should they add more? If you think this one should also have trees. If you think this one should also have trees, not just be a fiber can. Next up is Cherry Blossom Honey. Express your playfully sweet side with this light, fruity floral blend of cherry blossoms and silky smooth honey. Cherry blossom honey only comes in trees, unfortunately. Next up is Cinnamon Apple. I know, I don't think Dad would like this, Dad said he wouldn't like this. According to what I told him on the website. Which I'm actually about to tell you what I told him. A warm and welcoming blend of baked apples sprinkled with cinnamon. Only available in trees. Next up is Skulky Nut. Escape to paradise with this dreamy blend of golden coconut and sugar fruit. I say dreamy for this. Ha! It's only available in trees and extra strength. No like vent liquid, fiber can, or any of that unique stuff. Just the two tree types. Trees and extra strength. And hey, would you stop, Black Line? Thank you. No, I'm not talking to any of you. Did you see that Black Line behind this sort of linking between the extra strength for trees? Next up is Cotton Candy. Donut actually ranked this one the worst of them all. He ranked it in 8. Yes, in 8. Bring back childhood memories with this sweet blend of sponge sugar, strawberry, or vanilla. Comment hashtag I like donut if you think you wouldn't like this either. Just like Donut didn't like it. It's only available in trees. Thankfully for Donut. Next up is Daisy Fields. Lose yourself in breezy meadows of wild daisies with this uplifting floral fragrance. Wow. Comment hashtag that's pretty if you think the photo is pretty on Daisy Field. Well, they're only available in trees. Next up is the relatively new dragon fruit. So new. I don't think Donut even tested it out yet. No, he could have, but not in that video I watched. That same one that that his least favorite was going to County. The exotic and bright scent of juicy dragon fruit with hints of zesty citrus and sweet red berries. Yep, see that new right there? Just like Caribbean Coladas. Spray, they're both new. Caribbean Colada spray and dragon fruit in general. Exotic and bright scent of juicy dragon fruit with hints of zesty citrus and sweet red berries. Yeah. The real dragon fruit, I think it tastes like some sort of banana-like thing. It's only available in trees. Next up is Fresh Shave. Those are shaving cream, leather, talcum powder, and musk are brought together in this distinct barbershop fragrance. It's only available in trees. Next up is another new and general gold. Inspired by the opulence of the roaring trees, gold is a luscious combination of sparkling ginger gold apples, honey dipped florals, and glowing amber reds. Comment below that it does smell and what you think gold smells like if you smelled it before. If you smelled actual element gold, not just this tree. But also comment hashtag I smell gold tree. Yeah. If you smelled a tree and comment hashtag I smelled them both. If you smelled a tree and a real element. Next up is golden vanilla. Enlarged in the comforting aroma of creamy vanilla and rich caramel. Only available in vent liquid? Okay, comment it needs more. If you think this needs a tree too. It's not just a vent liquid. But yeah, gold is only available in trees. Next up is green apple. I don't think donut likes deceiver. The perfect blend of tart and sweet creates a lip-smacking crisp apple fragrance. Oh yeah, I smelled Caribbean Colada. Semi-sober. I know, I haven't smelled a lot. Green apples only is available in fiber can and trees. Next up is jasmine. No, not Aladdin's girlfriend. The plant jasmine. A white floral bouquet with fresh, grainy, and soft musk give our classic jasmine a modern feel. Wait, what? It's classic? It doesn't seem like it. It's only available in trees, guys. That's not so common, probably. If you don't think this is one of the classics, and it should rather just be classified as uncommon. Just uncommon. Oh yikes! Ozark. I saw Ozark. At least I like those are mountains, even although I haven't even been to Arkansas or Missouri yet. Oh, lovely.